student. Your half yearly course is completed now. That's why today I will start a revision class and this chapter, first chapter. Okay, chapter 4, wild animals. Okay, student. Then in this chapter we will discuss about the animals, wild animals, their living places and their eating habits. Okay, let's start here. What is the meaning of this word, wild animals? Wild, it means the animal that live in forest are called wild animals. The animals that live in their natural surroundings, in natural places, that animals are called wild animals. Examples are like that: lion, tiger, elephant, deer, zebra, polar bear, etc. On the living place, on the living habitat, the animals are divided in three categories. How many categories? Three categories. Okay, on the living places. On the living, on the living places, on the living places, the animals are divided. How many categories? Three. How many categories? Three. First is here terrestrial animal. Terrestrial animals. Second is aquatic animal. Aquatic animals. And third one is amphibians. Amphibians. First is terrestrial animals. Terrestrial animals means the animal that live on land are called terrestrial animals. Like that elephant, tiger, lion. Okay, the animal, one more thing student, the animal that live in forest are terrestrial animals. The animal that live in grasslands are called terrestrial animals, like that lion, giraffe, ostrich, zebra, elephant, etc. The animal that live in desert area, in sandy place, there is a land is covered with sand, that animals are terrestrial animals. And examples is camel, snake, ostrich, lizard. Okay, and the animal that live in very cold places, there is too much ice, that animal are called terrestrial animals. An example like that polar bear, arctic foxes, etc. Okay, come to the next point. Next point is that is aquatic animal. Aquatic means in water, in water. The animals that live in water are called aquatic animal, like that fish, crocodile, etc. Okay. Then come to the third one, amphibians. Amphibians means the animal that live in both on land, on land and in water are called amphibians. Example, frog. I think this point is clear now. On the living places, on the living habitat, the animals are categorized three groups. Three groups. First is terrestrial animals, which are land. Aquatic animal, that animal live in water. Amphibians animal that live in on both on land and in water. Okay, I think this point is clear now. Then second one is on the eating habitat. Eating habitat on the basis of, on the basis of eating habit. Eating habits. The animals are divided in three groups. How many groups? Three groups. First is herbivores. Second, carnivores. Third one is omnivores. First is herbivores, animals that are plant eating animals. Okay, are called herbivores, like that cow, deer, buffalo, etc. Carnivores, animals that eat flesh of other animals, are called carnivores. Okay student, like that lion, tiger, these animals are carnivores. Third is omnivores. Omnivores, animal that eat both flesh of other animals and plant. And examples are like that crow, bear, human beings. These are omnivores. I think these points are clear now. On the basis of eating habits, animals are divided in three categories: herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. This point is clear now. And one most important point here is scavengers. That is what are scavengers? This point, student. Scavengers means animals that eat the flesh of dead animals. Flesh of dead animals. Dead animals. The animals that eat flesh of dead animals. This word is most important here. Dead animals are called scavengers. Example, jackal, hyenas, vulture are the scavengers. And scavenger is most important, and this maintain our environmental cycle. Okay, and these are cleaners. These animals are our environmental cleaners. Okay, then after that, these points are clear now. Then I tell you about endangered animals. What are endangered animals? Endangered animals means endangered animals. I'm rub this. Endangered. Next point is endangered animal. Endangered animals. Endangered animal that are very few in number. Their counting is very less, and that animal may soon become extinct on the earth. These animals are called endangered animals. Examples is here. Example like that leatherback turtle, first, second Indian rhinos, and third is Bengal tiger. These are animals of endangered animal. Next point is that is very important, and that is extinct animals. Extinct animals are those animals that are no longer present on the earth. At this time, this animal are not present on the earth, are called extinct animals. Okay, example here Example like that, dodo, dodo bird, dodo first. And second one that is very interesting, dinosaurs. And you listen about many stories about dinosaurs in your cartoon movies. Yes, you know, student, dinosaurs. Okay, then today's topic is clear now. And one more thing, we should stop the hunting of animals. Okay, always we are kind for animals. Okay, students. And last point is, today's topic is, we should not throw waste product in natural places, in animals places where the animals are live, and we are always kind to all animals. Okay, student, that's all. Thanks.